Hello, good morning. Today we are going to ride around Ubud area. See in front of me, that's a monkey forest street. Look, there's a big sign over there. That's a monkey forest street. So as you see, I'm not sure if you see clear or not. Both of these roadside have a monkey statues. Because they have monkey forest in the front, so we are going to ride around a monkey forest. Look, there's the monkey statue everywhere. Oh, there's one of the monkeys. See, there's some monkeys over here. Look, what is that? Now there's some people don't know there's a road in here, so we are going to ride in this road. See, this is the monkey forest. Ugh. The road is very small. That's the people. That's the tourists, I mean. Sorry guys. So we are actually inside the monkey forest. Look, some people have a morning exercise. Hello. That's the monkeys there. The road is bumpy. Oh, that's the monkeys over there. Look. Oh, sorry. That's the monkeys up there. Hello. 很多猴子哎，有一点可怕。Oh, the road is. Let me fix my bag. Hope there's no monkeys. See, there's monkeys up there too. So we will see some cafe in here. So this village called Nyuh Kuning. So at the end of the monkey forest, we end up in one of the beautiful village called Nyuh Kuning. Some accommodation in here. Some villa in here, some shop. See, there are many cafes in here. A massage, another accommodation. Along this road they have a villa too, and some cafe in here. It's a nice cafe. Oh. 这里也是很美，看小咖啡店。这里是我们的学校 ，It's the school in here. This is the student. This is beautiful village of Nyuh Kuning. They have frangipani trees in both sides of the street. Looks so beautiful. Sorry, someone hit me. A Nyuh Kuning village. So next time if you want to stay near Ubud but still in a quiet place, this is the right place. There are some guest house in here. So guest house is like where you can stay with the owner, I mean local owner, local people who live with you. 这里有一些叫，是不是叫民宿还是别墅啊？就是有主人在里面，你们可以住便宜一点的。下雨耶，下雨。So here when is people building, they put the sand beside the street, so people will take it to their house later. Okay, we are heading back to the monkey forest. It's beautiful but bumpy road. See, there's only 2 motorcycles can pass. Sorry. This is the monkeys forest. Look, the monkeys over there, down there. Oh, with the baby, look. Look, there's monkeys over there. Whoa. Sorry. Look, monkeys everywhere. There's the monkeys. There's monkeys. Beautiful, beautiful forest. There's a little river down there, so maybe monkeys can swim there. We are under tunnel. 快结束了，我们其实到这里而已。可是如果你们想去猴子森林，可以到门口那边买门票。Sorry. It's a bit creepy. So we are. Okay, we've done a monkey forest trip with a motorcycle. This is still part of the monkey forest. Look.